Not just the caste division line that has been picked up by Rahul today. In a most shocking move, he went to Jammu and Kashmir and he says, outsiders, people, these outsiders are taking away your rights. By outsiders, he meant everybody, bahar ke log, people from outside. So he went to Jammu and Kashmir, he said, all these people in the rest of India, they are people from outside. Ladies and gentlemen, so dangerous. We want to bring the country together. And Rahul Gandhi says, all of us are outsiders. We are outsiders in the context of Jammu and Kashmir, Rahul Gandhi. But you would never say that if you were speaking to others. Even if Rahul Gandhi were to go to Pakistan, he would not refer to the Pakistanis as outsiders, but he says to the people of India that we, in the context of Jammu and Kashmir, which we all fight for and love, that we are outsiders. You make your choice, viewers. Are you for national unity or extreme division? Let's debate. I will not take it lying down that Rahul Gandhi says that I am an outsider. Rahul Gandhi is saying Sushil Pandit is an outsider. Sardar RP Singh is bahar ke log. मगर पाकिस्तानियों के बारे में कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि वो बाहर के लोग हैं. It is so shocking, viewers. You decide now what you want in this country. bahar ke log. So tell me, Aditya Gupta from the PDP, he's a candidate from Jammu East, and Abid Mir Magami is there of the Congress party from Srinagar. He's the national spokesperson of the Youth Congress. Mr. Magami, Bahar ke log, which means people from outside, they are taking away the rights and they are trying to represent people of Jammu and Kashmir. So when Rahul Gandhi goes to Wayanad, is he bahar ke log? Is he an outsider? Is he an outsider? Mr. Magami, you're not being able to give me an answer. Please answer.
What Rahul Gandhi said today, it's absolutely right.
Oh, we're outsider. Okay, so Rahul Gandhi says that everybody from outside Jammu and Kashmir is an outsider. 1 minute. This is a pro-Pakistan line. This is the kind of line that Pakistan uses. These people. No, I'll quote what Pakistan. I'll quote what Pakistan said after the abrogation of 370.
बिरयानी खाने मोदी जी जाते हैं.
नहीं आप
बिरयानी खाने मोदी जी जाते हैं.
मगर आपने कह दिया ना भारतीय सब, भारत के लोग, भारत के बाकी सब लोग, जम्मू और कश्मीर के बाहर जितने भारतीय हैं वो बाहर के लोग हैं. आपने कह दिया ना राहुल गांधी ने. ठीक है, मैं तो, हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं ना, हमारे व्यूअर्स डिसाइड करेंगे. आपकी पार्टी ने कह दिया कि सारे लोग, पंजाब के लोग, उत्तर प्रदेश के लोग, मध्य प्रदेश के लोग, आसाम के लोग, बंगाल के लोग, त्रिपुरा के लोग, राजस्थान के लोग, सब बाहर के लोग हैं.
आप देखिए राहुल गांधी जी ने क्या बोला है. आप मैनिपुलेट मत करो राहुल गांधी जी.
कोई मैनिपुलेशन नहीं है मगामी जी.
बिल्कुल,
ये कह दिया है.
बिल्कुल हो रहा है, बिल्कुल हो रहा है.
कोई मैनिपुलेशन नहीं है. मैं प्ले करके आपको बता दूंगा. आपको टेंशन क्यों हो रही है? आपको लगता है कश्मीर में जाके बातें कहेंगे? अरे भाई रिकॉर्ड पे है, ऑन वीडियो टेप है. सुशील पंडित वीडियो टेप पे, आरपी सिंह जी वीडियो टेप पे है. अब तो राहुल गांधी को पूछा जाएगा कि आपने पाकिस्तान वाली लाइन ली.
सुशील पंडित को खुद बीजेपी ने रिहेबिलिटेट नहीं किया अभी तक कश्मीर में. सुशील पंडित जी क्या बोलेंगे? सुशील पंडित जी को तो मैंडेट मिलना चाहिए बीजेपी की तरफ से.
मगामी साहब को मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, लेट मी टेल हिम, देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन दिस एंटायर कंट्री हु हैजंट sacrificed a son in Kashmir to defend India and to defend Kashmir.
हम बाहर के लोग नहीं हैं.
एक ऐसा जिला नहीं,
हम बाहर के लोग नहीं हैं मगामी जी. राहुल गांधी ने हमको बाहर का लोग कहा. हम बाहर के लोग नहीं हैं, भारतीय हैं. आप भी भारतीय हैं, भारतीय पासपोर्ट है. हम बाहर के लोग नहीं हैं. ये राहुल गांधी जो कह रहे हैं सब लोग बाहर के लोग हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बाहर के लोग? हम बाहर के लोग हैं.
वी आर इंडियन फर्स्ट.
नहीं, तो मुझे लेक्चर मत दीजिए. वी आर इंडियन फर्स्ट. आपके नेता ने क्यों कहा कि मैं भारत बाहर का आदमी हूं? सरदार आरपी सिंह बाहर के लोग हैं. आपने कैसे कहा? मेरे पिताजी फौज में थे. आपने हमें बाहर का लोग कहा.
Come and settle in Janpura or Rajpath Nagar in Delhi. Are they bahar ke? We welcome them like Indians. We don't tell them you are bahar ke, you can't come here. oh, this is what you wanted. That's why you wanted 370, 35 to continue. Because that's your intention. Intention is to sow the seed of separatism. This sowing the seed of separatism in the young minds of the Kashmiri youth.
ये
That's
बीजेपी
what
का
Rahul
काम
Gandhi
है।
is doing. That what his target is. That somehow sow the seed of separatism. That all those who come from other part of the country are bahar ke, and we are some different elite class. Sir, we are one India.
I would take the
Kashmir is
hashtag
as per
today, Bharat ke log.
Kashmir is as per
1
mine,
minute, 1 minute,
as
1 minute.
yours.
Viewers, I tell you one thing. If you're watching, please tell everybody watching the program to use a hashtag. I will put it on top, Bharat ke log. हम हैशटैग डाल रहे रिपब्लिक से, हम भारत के लोग हैं, हम बाहर के लोग नहीं हैं. ये राहुल गांधी ने कह दिया हम सब बाहर के लोग हैं. व्यूअर्स, हमें कहना पड़ेगा हम भारत के लोग हैं. राहुल गांधी जी, ये क्या कर रहे हो आप? हम भारत के लोग हैं, हैशटैग भारत के लोग. राहुल गांधी कैसे हमको बाहर के लोग कह रहे हैं? दिस विल नॉट बी टॉलरेटेड. नहीं 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 आपको प्रो पाकिस्तान लेना है, आप लीजिए. मगर आप क्या
कर रहे हो?
मैनिपुलेट? मैं साउंड बाइट प्ले कर दूंगा. आप कह रहे हैं बाहर के लोग.
आपके इस जहां में बिल्कुल
कौन है बाहर के लोग?
बिल्कुल
कौन है बाहर के लोग?
बाहर के लोग या एलजी जो इस टाइम
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपने एलजी, आपने कहा कि सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, सारे काम, सारी डेवलपमेंट की काम बाहर के लोगों को दिया जा रहा है. कौन है बाहर के लोग?
जो एलजी इस टाइम संभाल रहा है यहाँ की हुकूमत, वो बाहर के.
नो 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 नो, आपने कैटेगराइज कर दिया.
वो यूपी से आते हैं.
सुशील पंडित, ये इन्हें विश्वास नहीं हो रहा.
अगर बीजेपी सुशील जी को यहाँ गवर्नर बनाते, हम कहते ठीक है कश्मीर.
आप सुन लीजिए. एवरीबडी ऑन एयर, इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्क्रीन, राहुल गांधी सेइंग, टॉकिंग अबाउट बाहर के लोग. प्लेट.
आज जम्मू कश्मीर में राजा बैठा हुआ है, उसका नाम एलजी है, मगर वो है राजा. और जो आपका धन है आपसे छीना जा रहा है, बाहर के लोगों को दिया जा रहा है. चाहे वो आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हो, सारा का सारा फायदा बाहर के लोगों को मिल रहा है और जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों से छीना जा रहा है.
तो दो कैटेगरीज हो गई. क्लियर है? जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग और बाहर के लोग. एब्सोल्युटली वीडियो पे, इट इज ऑल रिकॉर्डेड. सुशील पंडित, यू हर्ड? आरपी सिंह, आपने सुन लिया?
Shocking.
क्या है?
एलजी का नाम ही
जितने फौजी है सब बाहर के लोग हैं.
Contested an election from
हम कह रहे हैं
Wayanad.
भारत के लोग. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, काउंट, हैव अ काउंट द
Mother contested an election from Bellary.
काउंटर राहुल्स बाहर के लोग. आई पुट ऑन द ग्रिड बिलो. प्लीज व्यूअर्स, काउंटर राहुल्स बाहर के लोग लॉजिक विद द हैशटैग भारत के लोग. रिपब्लिक्स काउंटर टू द बाहर के लोग कमेंट इज हैशटैग भारत के लोग. आदित्य गुप्ता, this is dangerous. If we start walking down this path, then tomorrow teachers, professors, academics, journalists, soldiers, judges, administrators, workers, laborers. You know, this is the logic the Pakistan-backed terrorists use when they target laborers from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and kill them. They say they are bahar ke log. But to expect Rahul Gandhi to use that logic. Can you have development in Jammu and Kashmir by calling everybody from outside bahar ke log? What is bahar ke log? If you're not from Jammu and Kashmir, you're not bahar ke log. You are Bharat ke log. Yes, Mr. Aditya Gupta, please.
Arnav, there are two things. Number one, that the reference with regard to Bahar ke log is always made in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir with regard to Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha.
No, but this is not about Lieutenant Governor. He's saying, this is not about Lieutenant Governor. He has talked about people who are getting contracts, development work. No, people who are getting benefits. He's talking about Bahar ke log as in everybody outside Jammu and Kashmir. So he's playing Aditya, he's playing the parochial card, you know that.
Arnav,
extreme parochial.
I am the only panelist here, Arnav, on your show. Arnav, as on your show, I am the only panelist who come from Jammu and Kashmir and sitting here. So I can tell you with full responsibility
I
that
am from
this
Jammu and
reference
Kashmir.
is a reference which is made to LG.
I am from
Manoj
Jammu and
Sinha.
Kashmir.
No, I sit here, sir. I am living here. I am living here, sir. I am living here. So this is references with regard to that. With regard to people saying that, see, there has been Navratnas there's a trend which is called.
No, you are living
Navratnas
there.
by
I am
BJP
not able to
Jammu
live
and
there.
Kashmir, especially to Jammu.
Why you are not able to
No,
lose?
sir, I am answering to Mr.
because I'm
Arnab
not
Goswami.
willing to.
Please let me
I'm
answer
not
that.
able to.
Arre
Why
yaar.
you are not able to
Arre
live
sir,
there?
you are not living there. I have no quarrel with that. I understand that. I understand
doesn't
the
give you
fact
any
that
special
there has been
status.
trouble in the state for last 30 years. Lot of people. Arre, sir, you will please let me say what I have to say. I am putting forth my point. You may disagree with it. I will listen to your disagreement also. Plus, please let me put forth my point.
Go ahead,
My
go ahead,
point
go
is
ahead.
the outsiders that we mentioned is with regard to LG. Is with regard to LG Manoj Sinha because the
Sir, it is
administration
not.
run by
Sir, it is
management.
not.
Every state has
Is
a LG
LG
which is
a
from the other
contractor?
state.
Coming from
Or the
Is
governor from the other
Governor a
states.
contractor?
number two, the most
Lieutenant Governor a
important factor
contractor?
is that Jammu has got Navratans. Those Navratans that Jammu got is by Mafia Raj. The mafia that is running in Jammu and Kashmir is right now referred to the liquor mafia and to the mining mafia. The tenders have been allotted to people out from the people and the companies which are running.
I
the
take
rest of the
strong
company.
objection to
No
this.
quarrel with them.
Arnab,
But the mafia
no,
that is
no.
running. The
What
second
is-
factor
no.
is that unemployment
How-
rate.
You are saying that tender process is scuttled, everything is net, everything is on web,
5 mallas of land
everything
had
is
to
on
be
record.
given. We
No,
said,
no, no.
please give
You-
the 5
you
mallas
would
land
have
to
also
Kashmiri
applied for a tender for the liquor
so that
tender,
they can
or
get
someone
5
would
mallas
have-
of
else
free
would have
land.
applied.
But that free
Aditya,
land was given for
Aditya,
people
you may have business
came in
interests, I
to
don't.
Kashmir
Listen to me.
later and tried to
You may
settle
have
down,
business
sir.
interests, I don't. Obviously, you have business interests, so you're talking like this. Now, listen to me. My
I don't
point
have a
is,
business interest,
my
I'm a
okay, you
practicing
don't have
lawyer.
business
So
interests,
I
but I'm
don't
saying
have a business
no.
interest,
You are
Mr.
saying,
Goswami.
see,
With due
you are
respect.
listen to
I
me,
don't
Aditya,
have- as a
Aditya,
citizen of Jammu and Kashmir and as a citizen of Jammu,
Aditya, listen here.
I wanted your
Rahul
platform
Gandhi
to
should read the
project our
Constitution.
plight.
Constitution
You
is
should
not
have
a
given that much
prop.
of scope,
You are saying Constitution is under threat. This language puts the Constitution under threat. 16.1, equality of opportunity. 16.2, no discrimination on religion, caste,
I'm
where you
not
are
saying
from.
people coming here and
19,
participating in
1F,
voting, that is not
right
an
to
objection
hold or
to
acquire
accept.
property.
The whole thing
19.1,
is
freedom of
asking for-
expression. You cannot go to Jammu and Kashmir and call the people who are not from Jammu and Kashmir outsiders and Bahar ke log. He should first point at himself and then say he's Bahar ke log.
It is with
No,
Arnab,
this
I must give you a
is
fact.
not done.
Kashmir, Mr.
Arnab,
This
I
is a
must give you a fact.
pro-Pakistani line. Simple.
Just one fact, Arnab.
It is references
We'll demolish
always
This is a
argument.
pro-Pakistani line.
May I give you a fact?
We got the
Arnab?
first officer from
It
our
is a
state to
startling
work
fact,
as a chief
and
secretary
your
after 6
viewers
years.
must know.
Once you don't have
The
anyone in
fact is,
administration,
on
you don't have
31st
anyone
of
in the
March
administration from the local
2020,
population, you feel
on
disoriented,
31st of March
discontented, there's no
2020,
connection with
there
the
was a
administration.
promulgation,
The decisions
a
which were
gazetted
taken with regard to
notification,
Jammu and Kashmir
45-page
have been
notification,
contrary to
which
the-
created
by the-
domicile
with the aspiration
residents
of
of
people of
Jammu and Kashmir.
The people
All
had to
jobs,
be taken on board
all
when the
government
representative
jobs,
is not there.
level 1, level
At least
2,
the
level 3,
advisors,
level
the
4
chief
were
secretary,
reserved
the
only for
officers
the
at the
domiciled
top rank
citizens
should
of
have
Jammu
been
and
there.
Kashmir.
When the LG is also
Not a
outside,
single government job can
No,
be
but
had
okay,
by a
okay,
non-domiciled
okay, Mr.
resident.
Mr. Gupta, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Gupta, I want to ask you this. See, Mr. Gupta, Rahul Gandhi will never call Rohingyas Bahar ke log. He will never call Bangladeshi infiltrators Bahar ke log because they are Congress vote bank in Assam. But he will call the people of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan,
When I say
elsewhere
to
Bahar
Jammu
ke
and
log.
Kashmir,
Why?
They are fine as far as we are concerned. They are
Have you
outside.
ever, okay, Mr. Magami, have you ever heard
Jammu and
Rahul
Kashmir,
Gandhi call
Rohingyas are
Bangladeshi
outside.
infiltrators Bahar ke log?
I am saying from PDP. I'm
Mr.
telling you,
Magami.
Rohingyas are
let
not
me
belong to
let
Jammu
me
and Kashmir.
whether
Not
it
Indian
is
citizens also. There is
whether it
no
is
dispute with regard to that.
employment
The government has to put a
of the
policy
people
to, as far as to
are
sell
given
back.
to the outsiders, which is harmful or unwanted or potentially harmful of the interest of the original group.
Well, viewers, I think we are getting some traction on our hashtag Bharat Ke Log. We'll start a campaign here, viewers, on this, because we must fight whatever attempts to divide are going on. We are not going to sit here and take it lying down. The hashtag is Bharat Ke Log. Ladies and gentlemen, let's reply to Rahul Gandhi. We are not Bahar Ke Log. We are Bharat Ke Log. My debate continues with a very, very, very important debate on whether the bulldozer approach is right or wrong when I'm back.
Time for a quick breather.